Alright, wild idea time. What if roads could hum your EV's battery full while you drive? Not coils, not plugs, sound waves. Sonic roads. Here's the curious hook. Sound is energy. Speakers push air. Air pushes things. So why not push electrons? Let's unpack it. Sound is just pressure waves. If I mount super efficient transducers in the road and in the car, in theory I could beam acoustic energy into a receiver that turns vibration into electricity. Think piezoelectric harvesters, ultrasonic coupling. Cool in concept. Now the proof test. Numbers. A modern EV cruising needs, say, 20 to 50 kilowatts. To deliver that with sound in air, you'd need an acoustic intensity so high it would be like standing next to a rocket engine, all the time. Quick gut math, hitting tens of kilowatts per square meter translates to sound pressure levels north of 160 decibels. That's beyond painful, into structural damage territory. Windows shatter, wildlife flees, microphones cry. Okay, so skip audible sound. Use ultrasound. Still rough. Ultrasound is more directional, but air eats those high frequencies fast. And if you switch to solid coupling from road to car, like ultrasonic horns touching a receiver, you've basically reinvented a very complicated contact charger that only works when you're exactly aligned. Not great for moving vehicles. Fine. What about lots of tiny harvesters on the car sipping energy from road noise? That works for milliwatts. Good for powering sensors, tire chips, maybe a TPMS that never needs a battery. Not for pushing a 2-ton car down a highway. So, sonic roads as a primary charging method? Probability, extremely low. Physics and safety say no. But the idea opens a useful door. Dynamic charging while moving is real, just not with sound. Inductive roads use magnetic fields, not pressure waves. Coils under pavement, receivers under your car. We've seen pilots in Sweden, Israel, Michigan, Italy. At low gaps, efficiency can rival plug-in charging. At highway speeds with realistic gaps, you're looking at roughly 70–85% in good systems. What does that mean for cities? Charging shifts from park and plug, drive and sip, fewer giant chargers in dense areas, more silent coils under bus lanes and freight corridors. Grid planning gets smarter. Roads act like long, steady loads, smoothing peaks with energy storage at substations. Vehicles can carry smaller batteries for certain routes, cutting cost and weight. And sound? It still plays a role, just not as a fuel pump. Think acoustic sensing baked into pavement, monitoring cracks, traffic flow, even predicting potholes. Maybe active noise-canceling barriers that make busy streets feel calm. So here's the verdict. Sonic roads to charge EVs while you drive? Sci-fi cool? Physics cruel? Dynamic inductive roads? That's the lane to watch. If this future lands, your car won't roar. It'll quietly top up, one invisible watt at a time. Now that's music to my range anxiety. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more.